My grandparents always taught me the saying, the early bird gets the worm, and I took that to heart. So this morning, Jeff and I are heading out early to look at some potential investment properties for both our clients and us. So come with me today and let's see what we can find. The first property we're stopping at is in South Scottsdale in the subdivision of Village Grove. So come with me and let's take a look at the backyard. One of the things that's important to always consider is the neighborhood you're buying a property in. So here is the street of the property we were just at, getting a feel for the different homes so we know what the potential is. If you or anybody you know is interested in learning about Arizona real estate investing, please let me know. I can be contacted at 480-387-3990 or just follow along with our YouTube channel or drop me a message below. Thanks and happy investing!